Yo guys, hope you are doing great today. Hope you are fine. Hope you are well. Welcome to this other edition of Let's Discover on my channel. And today we are going to Mabeta. Yes. Mabeta and Jangai, a Limbe 3 subdivision. Today we are going with LINAT. LINAT is an environmental group focused on environmental protection, mangrove restoration, and many other things concerning the environment. So today we decided to go to Mabeta so I can follow up on their activities where they restore the mangrove at the creek of Mabeta. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, click on the notification bell below, and stay tuned and watch the video. Thank you and enjoy.
Boys, on particular all day. Oh, you match an enya.
All the pen and level and I say water don't come.
Aba, I mean this for me to see. Wait. And the Bible says Jesus walked on the water.
I said we should show going.
Mama, this is my first time here. I cannot be a leader.
Come for now.
I'm not a big leader here.
This was actually my first time boarding a boat, and this guy was just telling me to go and sit in front as if I was the leader of the crew. This cannot be my first time and I'm going to sit in front. Am I mad? Oh, you cannot go like that now. Anyway, let's we continue our journey.
Mangrove restoration.
This one that them boys are funny is that I'll never forget.
Wait. Hey, easy. Don't be afraid.
But how cannot come on?
That's never grown nothing.
There they grow now.
You know what grow?
You know what grow? It is a diner that.
Yes, that's how we keep that, you know. The thing that don't grow old, I suggest you can't replace that. I don't get it. It's been like 4 months or something.
No, one video, you just stop it.
So when we arrived at the spot, they started preparing their things, preparing their equipment so that they can start the planting. You can see the nursery and see the other guys as they are preparing the plants and the seedlings.
Okay guys, as you can see, they are already there planting the mangroves. Everybody's having hand in the glove.
Yeah. In terms of the weed. Well, someone will feel join our life for down for this or no? Give me the cat take different line for you. Tsunami boy.
Yes,
That doses are about 300 to 400. They're about 300 or 600.
yes, there's 300. 300, is it 305? Or something like that. I want to walk.
Take one picture, say you want to walk.
One thing that really amazed me during the expedition was how the kids behind here were just like taking part in every sector of the activities, from carrying the sick, looking for small plants that have just germinated.
Daddy, push it again. It's okay.
Human activities, anthropogenic activities like crayfish processing and settlement. So it happens to degrade the mangrove ecosystem. So we are actually doing restoration now. Actually restoring them, so our environment can be sustainable. Knowing fully that mangrove serves as a biodiversity hotspot, also a breeding ground for some crustacean species like crayfish and fish. So with this, the environment is going to be healthy. It also helps in mitigating floods, and most especially sequestration of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which is currently plaguing the world today, climate change.
Actually, nobody's left out. Even the kids of the area are just there putting their hands in the glove. How are you?
Fine.
Very fine. Sashay. It's Mama that was pushing the boat. Courage. Hey guys, see a cockroach. It's a cockroach.
It's a crab.
Good. This one is good. Yeah, we are telling for the player now. I tell you, come on, tell you for the plan.
I tell you, we don't let you make it work. Yeah, what?
Can you know the plan? Come with the transporter.
No, no, skip.
You see, this is the beginning, this is the first spot.
Yes, the first spot.
Other nets in there.
See that way that they find out.
Okay, Daddy, what are you doing now like that?
Yes, I'm doing some extraction so that we can transplant in the new area, environment that have been totally deforested. Yeah, these are shoot from the seed. So we are extracting from this area now to area that have been deforested so that we can afforestate those areas. Yeah. Yeah, as you see, the whole of this island was already deforested and it was empty. By our effort coming here, we tried to see that we reinforce this area that was already deforested with another new planting that has developed to this level. So we are still doing that, the continuation of what we have been doing to the other areas that are still exposed, lying empty. It can never be like that. It will always be like that. There's no way. Because when the tide comes, it will alter everything.
Yeah, it's almost close. The be serious. Let's squeeze the camera, can't get in.
Okay. You can see the children of the community, they are trying to give a helping hand.
Okay, if you are here and you are still watching, I will beg on you to click on the subscribe button below and the notification bell so that it can be for you as a form of encouragement to this channel and to the kid you are watching. Thank you, and we should continue our video.
Yes, say no, one penny first for the class.
No, I'm planting her.
Daddy, you hear me? Yes.
Just like fungus now.
Yeah, now, see, lady.
Yeah.
Just be like
we can't know where that plan is.
Okay, if we do so,
We'll make a
now
program
we'll
where
decide.
we'll go there. Go get those stuff from there.
Yes.
So after a day of hard work, we finally concluded with the planting. You can see the vast area of land that we planted. They planted, so that was not planted. Sorry, I was behind the camera. You can see the vast area, all these places. So it was time to go back home, go back to Buea, because it's there and base. You can see the crew, everybody was happy. They achieved, and it was a done. So if you are here till now, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video, and click on the notification bell so that whenever I post my video, you will be the first to see them. Till then, see you next time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Operation back to home, back to home, back to home.
Deforestation.